Do you feel lucky, punk? So what does that quote from Dirty Harry have to do with divorce mediation? So I'm going to talk about BATNA, WATNA, best case, worst case scenario, and your most likely scenario, and how you can use that in divorce mediation. And being lucky can be part of that. So you will hear when you're going to mediation, what's my BATNA? What's my best alternative to a negotiated agreement? What's my best day in court? So if you're mediating and it's an alimony case, a 7-year marriage, maybe your best case scenario, your best day in court, you may get 6, maybe get 7. But what's your WATNA? What's your worst day in court? What's your worst alternative to a negotiated agreement? That's a real roll of the dice. And when you factor in the cost of litigation, because the judge is not going to make those decisions without a trial, you're going to have to figure out what your most likely scenario is, what your most likely alternative is. Now, who's the best person to answer that? And I will say it's your lawyer, because your lawyer is in court every day and they're in front of that judge. I ask my clients when they're going to mediation, ask your attorney, what's your best case, worst case, and most likely scenario? In writing, get it from your attorney, because it's going to help you negotiate a mediation. Clearly, with the cost of a trial being $30,000 and up, you really don't want to pay that money. It's going to change what your best case, or worst case, and your most likely scenario is when you're paying those legal fees. So it's Anju Jessani for Divorce with Dignity Mediation Services, asking you to get a reality check. But if you feel lucky today, roll the dice. Anju Jessani for Divorce with Dignity Mediation Services, saving dollars, making sense.